Mastering proactive maintenance approaches. Automation dictates our organization's operational excellence. Why does our organization's current level of automation and maintenance processes significantly impact its ability to achieve operational excellence, and in what ways is it being strategically leveraged to drive improvements in efficiency and reduce downtime? The current level of automation and maintenance processes has a profound impact on an organization's ability to achieve operational excellence. Automation plays a crucial role in enhancing the effectiveness and efficiency of maintenance activities, which in turn, has a direct bearing on the overall performance of the organization. In today's fast-paced and competitive business environment, achieving operational excellence is no longer a choice, but a necessity for organizations to remain relevant and competitive. One of the key prerequisites for achieving operational excellence is the ability to minimize downtime and maximize asset utilization. This is where automation and maintenance processes comes into play. When maintenance processes are automatable, organizations can significantly reduce the likelihood of human error, which is a major contributor to downtime. Automated maintenance processes ensure that routine tasks are performed consistently and accurately, freeing up maintenance personnel to focus on more complex and value-added activities. For instance, automated condition-based monitoring allows organizations to detect potential equipment failures early, enabling proactive maintenance and minimizing the risk of unplanned downtime. Moreover, automation in maintenance processes enables organizations to optimize their maintenance schedules, ensuring that maintenance activities are performed at the right time, reducing unnecessary maintenance, and minimizing the risk of over-maintenance. This, in turn, leads to a significant reduction in maintenance costs, resulting in improved bottom-line performance. Automation also provides organizations with real-time data and insights on equipment performance, enabling them to make informed decisions about maintenance activities. This data-driven approach to maintenance enables organizations to identify areas of improvement, optimize maintenance strategies, and implement predictive maintenance practices. Furthermore, automation in maintenance processes can have a profound impact on the safety of maintenance personnel. By automating routine and hazardous tasks, organizations can reduce the risk of accidents and injuries, ensuring a safer working environment for maintenance personnel. Many organizations are strategically leveraging automation and maintenance processes to drive improvements in efficiency and reduce downtime. For instance, some organizations are using artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, algorithms to analyze real-time data from sensors and other sources to predict equipment failures and optimize maintenance schedules. Others are using augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technologies to provide maintenance personnel with real-time guidance and support during maintenance activities. In addition, organizations are also leveraging automation to improve their maintenance planning and scheduling processes. Automated maintenance planning and scheduling systems can analyze equipment performance data, maintenance schedules, and resource availability to optimize maintenance plans, ensuring that maintenance activities are performed at the right time, with the right resources, and with minimal disruption to operations. To further amplify the benefits of automation, organizations are also integrating automation with other digital technologies, such as the Internet of Things, IoT, cloud computing, and big data analytics. This integrated approach enables organizations to create a connected ecosystem that provides real-time visibility into equipment performance, maintenance activities, and operational performance. In conclusion, the current level of automation in maintenance processes has a direct impact on an organization's ability to achieve operational excellence. Automation enables organizations to minimize downtime, optimize maintenance schedules, improve safety, and reduce maintenance costs. By strategically leveraging automation, organizations can drive improvements in efficiency, reduce downtime, and achieve operational excellence.